test drive the 2017 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.